Hi guys, today I'll be sharing with you how to use InvoiceNow in Xero. Let's go! Because IMDA Singapore gave $200 grant last year, many companies have registered for InvoiceNow. To check if your customers have registered, you can search the directory at www.peppoldirectory.sg. For customers that have registered, you can send your invoice through their unique email address as follows: 0195-SGUEN followed by the UN number at invoi.ci. Add this in Xero as the customer's contact and start sending your invoices to their InvoiceNow email address. Send it concurrently to their normal email address so they are notified as well. Now that you know how to send it, it's time to encourage your suppliers to send their invoices to you directly. Provide them your unique InvoiceNow email address. Now that you can send and receive invoices through InvoiceNow, save time and get paid faster. If you have any questions, do drop it in the comments below. That's 1 minute. See you next week.